Handheld rock splitters are powerful and cost-effective alternatives to other traditional demolition tools. It is especially suitable for narrow areas where large machines cannot work and places with strict restrictions on noise and dust. The whole machine is light and flexible, easy to operate, easy to transport, and can be operated by only one person, so it can be used without any problem in confined spaces or places where large machinery is difficult to access, and can even work underwater. No noise, no vibration and flying stones when working. Over the years, our handheld splitters have achieved great success worldwide for their high quality, high performance, long service life, and very competitive price, playing a huge role in the global demolition field.